Hello, science students. I'm going to quickly give you a preview of the circuit builder you're going to be using today to complete the activity. So first, what you're going to want to do is look at instead of choosing intro, go ahead and just choose lab. If you want to go through the intro, you can, but you don't really need to. So, and then you're going to build all kinds of different circuits. So to build, you're going to use any of the items here on the left, different circuit components. So you start with a wire, we might add in a battery, and one thing that's really key is if you want your circuit to work, you need to connect one wire to each end of the battery. If you were to connect the wires here and think that it would run through the battery and light this light bulb, for example, it's not going to, because it needs to be connected to both ends of the battery for that to work. So I'm going to remove that, and now you can see I have a working circuit. Okay, so lots of other tools you can add. There's resistors. You can add in those to slow down the current. And there's switches that you can add in so you can turn on and off the current. I'll show you that very quickly. So you connect that here and here. Now you can turn on and off your circuit, no problem. There's a few other items you can choose. There's a fuse. There's a larger, stronger battery. You have a few other choices down here, so things to place in. You won't need those necessarily today, but you can try them if you would like. Now, on the side here, we have a few other things. If you would prefer to show the current in different ways, you can. If we choose this option underneath the components over here, it'll actually show you the kind of standard circuit diagram, kind of like what we did in our digital notebook. But I kind of like the more cartoony one. Finally, the only other tool you're going to be using today is an ammeter. So you're going to drag this on here. In order to measure the current, you'll drag this target on top of whatever wire you'd like to measure. You can see right now it's 0 because my switch is closed. It's open, so if I close the switch, then it's going to read the current for me. Okay, that was your last little thing. So under advanced today, there may be some times where you need to increase or decrease the wire resistance or the battery resistance. And when it says add real bulbs, it just shows you that down there at the bottom as an option. Our bulbs are going to be sort of perfect in terms of the way they behave. Okay. If you have any questions, your job is just do your best on the circuit building activity, and then we will go over it when I return. Thank you for watching.